Test the switch. Both reverse blowholes must be closed. Prepare a thin rubber pad 0.5 mm thick. Turn on the switch on the right. With no workpiece placed, all vacuum vents should be closed. A vacuum hole was found to be still pumping air. This indicates that this vacuum hole cannot be completely closed. Similarly, quickly turn on the switch on the left. Cover with a thin rubber pad to check for air leaks in the vacuum hole. Use this method to check if any valves inside the vacuum hole cannot be closed. Prepare a hood for air collection. Turn off the switch of the vacuum table. Compressed air is connected through an air collection hood. Forward blowing of air into vacuum holes that cannot be closed. A vacuum table may have 1-3 vacuum holes that cannot be completely closed. But this will not affect the clamping force of the vacuum table. If more than 5 vacuum holes cannot be closed, this will cause a slight leak in the vacuum, which will reduce the vacuum level. This will reduce the clamping force. It is recommended that the vacuum table be used every day. Use an air collection hood to blow air into each area in a forward direction. In addition to following the operating procedures for watering, vacuuming, and cleaning. This forward blowing of compressed air also helps to clean the vacuum hole. Especially vacuum tables larger than 400 mm, 600 mm. Watering, vacuuming, and washing cannot achieve adequate cleaning. Blowing compressed air in the forward direction can help clean the vacuum holes more effectively. Make sure that every vacuum hole is clean. Connect the compressed air to the reverse blowing port. Note that the vacuum table must be turned off. You can feel the reverse airflow with your hands. In order to drive the compressed air to the distant vacuum hole, a blind flange can be used to cover the nearby vacuum hole. Ensure that both the distant and nearby vacuum holes receive reverse air blowing. Use a soft rubber pad to double-check the closure of the vacuum hole.